Intercoastal is calm today. Got one boat coming in from sea. A lot going on here. A lot of the trades are in. MEPs, which is mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. The window people are in here too, putting the frames in. Still got some structural work that we're doing on the side. So, like I said, this is calm for a Wednesday. It's been raining for the last 2 weeks on and off. So, I don't think maybe that has something to do with why there's not a lot of boats, and it's getting that time too that people probably bringing it in. Got extra rebar here. Okay, this is the side. As you can see, got up there. Everything you see with concrete block or everything that is part of the shell. And that's what we specialize. We specialize on the structure, the integrity of the building. And then they come in and put all the makeup in. The framing, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. These walls are done. Now this is looking crazy over here, but it's gonna be a gate that goes from here to here. And there's gonna be another gate that's in the front over there. As you can see, the water tables coming up. This tree is surviving because remember I told you about this tree, we moved it. Putting in the track for the sliding glass doors. You can see this is what they're doing to making sure everything is level, because this door gotta slide properly. And all these is where the grooves are, where the glass is going to be able to go in. You got to be careful that no one steps on this, because you don't want to bend these tracks. But once you bend them, it's hard for the glass to slide. So you got to be very careful to step over it. Like this is one here, so you got to probably need to protect it a little bit more. But you know, you got like 15, 20 guys on a job. Some guys are not as careful as others. You know, some people don't know how to step over things. And I get it. Here's different fabrics on the wall as far as the stucco pattern. You got a smooth here, a little texture there, color different, gray, typical gray. And they put it on the wall so you can, so they can have a look at it. Let me see if I can go upstairs. Upstairs, concrete stairs here, concrete second floor. Everything's metal frame here in South Florida. Some parts where you may be from, they use wood framing, which is not. It's okay. This is 25 gauge, in some cases 20 gauge. You got 3 5/8, and you got 6-inch studs. What's up, boss? So I'm stepping out here on the patio here. What we have here. All right. It's all gonna be drained, so that's what it is here. This is glass, which is overlooking the intercoastal. Ooh, what was that, a shark? Hold on, if it comes back up, I'm gonna see. I did see it, and I did see a fin. Come on back up. Get you on film. Get you on film. I was just over there too. I didn't want that thing to jump up and see me. Think I'm food. But I'll go back down there, see if I can get some more pictures. So you got the Euro wall. This is a design here. This is all glass. All right. You have your area here where you come through here. Have another sliding glass door here. Okay. I did see, I don't know if that was a shark or it had a fin. Could have been a shark. Oh. Not like it's out of place. Okay, you see how they got this here protecting this threshold? This is for people to walk on. You know, so I think they should do that downstairs too. And you got one right here too. So when you're doing new construction, make sure you protect your tracks, man, because nobody's gonna admit to it if something goes wrong or it's bent. I didn't do it. Got all this going on here. Oh man, hey. Nice and clean. So you're building out this wall here because here, sometimes the walls are not as straight because the block walls are not as perfect. But here, as you can see, they got the insulation on the wall here. Okay, it also tells you the R value of it, depending on the thickness, right? So you see the thickness here in relationship. So if this is an inch thick, you got 6.5. This is an inch and a half. You got 10R value. I don't know what size thickness is this. This got to be at least 3/4 to an inch. And then you have the built-up wall here, which is 1 5/8 inches, which is just going to be totally straight because the steel is going to be straight. And then you're going to have a wall that's straight. It's not going to be curvy and all that. So it's just instead of putting it on top of the wall, which people do, it's still fine. But when you're doing a house like this and you're spending the extra money, then you're going to have a straight wall. But you have to include that in your drawings because this extra insulation plus this 1 5/8 inches is probably taking 2 inches off. So 2 inches, your room will be 2 inches smaller, right? So you got to make sure you account for that when you design it if you want this type of setup. Okay. So all this here that you see, as far as the concrete, Darmac Builders, yours truly did all that. So to be able to walk it now with all it's framed up properly and everything is in the right locations, along with steel columns and everything, is a good thing. So, my man, appreciate you. So we're good. Elevator shaft here, which is blocked off, as you can see. Coming up to the 2nd floor. Let me go back down the stairs. Same thing on the walls here. They got the metal, they got wood, which is pressure treated because it's going against concrete. And then you got the metal angle here, which is kind of unique in itself. And then you don't have it here, you see? You don't have anything on this track here, so, but I know to step over it. 2 ACs here. It's gonna be moved. And then we got the pads, which is here. This is gonna be the landing spot for the AC units. And you got the, for the pool, the pumps and everything like that. As you can see, everything is stubbed out for that. And they're putting in the bucks for the windows. Getting ready to close up everything here. All right. This was poured yesterday, this footer, and then getting ready to put up the site wall. That's what they're forming up now. Compromising trees a little bit. This FPNL pole was moved. So, and we always got the pumps out here. All right, and it's raining on top of the water table. So you see this little opening here? This is where it's gonna go from. This is where the gate is gonna go through. All right, it's gonna go through here, and we're gonna kind of like have it over there too. So it's like the cavity for it all. And the reason why we got that wood up there is because we're getting ready to close up the house. So this is gonna be temporary. Plywood is gonna go all over there. Then we're gonna have a makeshift door here to get in and out. So that's what you do as the project moves forward. All right, so hey, keep watching. This is what we do. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna bring you more information, news that you can use.